Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 65 for June 8th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. So imagine you have a sketchbook that only gives you one page at a time before it slams shut. That is exactly how free ChatGPT accounts used to feel when you tried to make pictures. The good news is that limit just got much bigger for many users. People are now reporting they can create 10 or even 15 images back to back before any slowdown shows up. The same change applies to uploading files for the AI to read and understand. Think of it like suddenly getting a full pack of colored pencils instead of just one stub. The old rules made the free version feel like a quick demo you could only peek at. The new ones turn it into a real creative workspace you can visit again and again during the day. This matters because making images is one of the most fun ways beginners first meet AI. You can turn a history report into illustrated scenes or design posters for a school event. For students and hobbyists, it closes the gap between wishing you could see an idea and actually watching it appear on screen. The update is rolling out gradually, so some accounts still have the old limits, while others already enjoy the jump. If your account has not changed yet, just keep checking back over the next few days. To try it right now, open ChatGPT on your phone or laptop and make sure you are on a free account. Type a prompt like, draw a friendly robot helping with homework in a cartoon style. Keep going with new prompts and see how many you can make before any waiting message appears. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, where we look under the hood. You know how when you are texting a friend, your phone guesses the next word before you finish typing? Now picture that same autocomplete working on pictures instead of words. The AI has studied millions of photos to learn what usually comes next in a scene. First, it breaks your text prompt into small pieces it understands. Then it starts with random noise like static on an old TV. It slowly removes the noise piece by piece while checking against everything it learned about shapes, colors, and objects. Each step is basically asking, given this prompt, what should this tiny part of the picture look like? After many quick passes, the static turns into a clear image that matches your description. And that is basically what image-generating AI is doing when it creates pictures from your words. So next time someone says diffusion model, you can tell them it is basically super-powered autocomplete for pictures. Not so scary, right? Now let us look at some other cool stuff worth trying. OpenAI is reportedly planning a big refresh for ChatGPT in the next few weeks. The new version is expected to feel smarter and more helpful for everyday tasks, like writing, answering questions, and brainstorming. This matters because ChatGPT is still the AI most beginners meet first, so changes here reach millions of students and curious users. When the update arrives, try asking it to explain a topic from your homework in 3 different styles. Ask for one like a friend texting one like a teacher and one like a YouTuber to see what feels most useful. Next up, K-pop fans are pushing back against realistic fake videos and images made without the artist's permission. These deepfakes can look convincing, but often twist someone's likeness into uncomfortable situations. The story shows why learning to spot AI-generated media is becoming an everyday skill, especially on social platforms. You can practice by searching for AI deepfake examples on a trusted site and comparing them side by side with real photos to train your eye. Here are a couple of quick bits to wrap up the news. One AI researcher suggests saving your hardest or most unusual ideas for work or hobbies because AI is making it cheaper to turn good ideas into finished projects. The bottleneck is shifting from how do I build this to what should I build? AI agents are moving fast too. Just a year ago, the most advanced AI helpers could only answer questions. Today, they can take actions across multiple tools, which is exciting, but also means we need to think carefully about safety as they get more powerful. And that is a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that is cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you would rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Link is in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts covering tech, science, markets, and more. You can explore the whole lineup at naranetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.